And special thanks to our friends over at i-Blason who are nice enough to send us this Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus Armorbox case. So inside of this colorful little box here is case, nothing else in the box. And so, slide this out, very nice. So we have screen protector tips and a little assembly instructions, which I'll show you here. First off, we'll take the case apart. So we'll start down here, peel this corner back to separate the two pieces of the case. There we go, take that out, and there we go. This is the front part. It has a nice built-in screen protector. Just take it and pop it onto the front of your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Then you take, look at that little i-Blason logo. Then you take your case and kind of just pop it into here. There we go, bingo. And so now my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus would be protected in this Armorbox i-Blason case. So you can see the front screen completely protected. Got a little like engraving here in the screen protector to tell you where your thumbprint goes. Very nice thick corners for if you drop it, you shouldn't really have to worry about the phone breaking. Your power button and volume rockers, speaker grill, and a protected USB-C port. You got a little spot to put like a necklace or a wrist strap. You've even got this nice protector for your camera module, which I think is a great little addition, and it can also even double as a kickstand. So, you know, if you're out to lunch and want to watch something on your phone, you can easily just open this up and boom, your phone's set vertically. You can enjoy your video on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. So essentially, this is what your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus would look like inside of this i-Blason Armorbox case, nicely protected. Just very, very beautiful. Thanks again to i-Blason, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.